Alright. So, what is your name? Don't write. What's that? Number of words. Observation. Number of words. Observation. And your X is what? The set numbers. Your N is the total number of observations. Why your X is what? The number of observations is set. The term. The number of the terms, like the first term, second term, third term. Are you here? So if Fi subscript I equals to okay, xi, let's say we have, let me tell you, let's say Fi is the frequency of the first term, F2 frequency of the second term, then we are going to metric mean as this form. So let's say the rate of this is a question. Let's say example. Let's say the rate of inflation in 5 successive years in the country was this and this. What was the average rate of inflation per year? Now this is question in this case here. Talks about inflation. So we should use the normal formula right now, which is this is what x1, x3, x4, and we don't have frequency. So we assume that, or we say, that since we are given the, what is it? The question is what was the average rate of inflation per year? That means that per year, like this, per year, does it mean 1 year? Like they say per year, what is the average rate of inflation per year? That means that the average inflation of this year like this now, you can use to calculate the remaining years. So we are not talking about this particular year. So per year, before we can say many years to come, we have per year is 1. I mean now 1 year doesn't go the time. This deal with time. Geometric mean talks about this with time. You know what I'm saying? This with time. So let's say it's per 2 years. What will it be? You have 2 to do. So convert this one to decimal now. 0.5 divided by 0.04. So 0.05. Since we have the inflation, we're given the rate per year. We can say 1 plus 0.05. That is 1.0. So since it's the same thing, this occur in the same. I mean now. In that same year, I mean now, the rate of inflation in 5 successive years. That means that the first year, I mean now, that year, per year. That means that per year, another year, I mean now, successive means like the same, I mean now. You get what I'm saying now? So, like that, then we can have both 1.05, 1.08. That's how we have to take over to decimal. Well, like that. But imagine you have to find a question like this. Frequency and the markers part. You have 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 10. Say find the geometric mean. You are not given any time, right? So you assume the time is also 9 minutes. See, the time is right now. You are not given by you. You are not given time. What did you apply the formula? That means that we say this F1 is for X1, right? So as you find the geometric mean, what will be the answer? The n here is what? 1, 2, 3. How many number? 1, 2, 3. Right now? Yeah. So in this case, look at how many now? We have got 1, 2, 3. So this is what? The n here is what? 3. Do you understand? We have defined here because it is what? 5 successive years. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the n here? 1, 2. Right now? So we don't have this case. We can have it as what? So we will not say 2 times 5. Times 6 times 4 times 3 is 1. We now find it. You understand that? So in this case here we have this, we have the answer as 1 by 1. You understand that? You understand? Yeah. So back in this case here, for harmonic mean now, we talked about harmonic mean. Harmonic mean earlier, the formula for harmonic mean is what? Your total number of representation of what? Are you here? Summation? Like this, right? So, imagine you have to find the harmonic mean of this bar. What do you do? Now, let's find the normal arithmetic mean. Okay, wait, harmonic mean. The harmonic mean of this. So, the total number of observations. How many number of observations do you have? Number of observations? 5. Have you now? Then, what was the frequency here now? 1. stand. I mean, stand. That will not be 5 over 1 over I and I. 1 over 5 plus, what is not 5? That is 0.0 right now. Over 1 over what? 0.0 plus 1 over 0.12. You need to get your hand. You understand? Let's say find the harmonic mean of 2, 4, 8, 11, 2. That's what? The total number is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over 1 over 2 plus 1 over. Have you now? What is it? So, that is it. So we can find the arithmetic mean is just the normal mean. The normal mean, you add them together, right? And divide by total number. Don't shake that. Don't shake that. So like that. So we know that the harmonic mean is less than geometric mean because you even do the inverse and see square root, cube root of 2. Geometric mean is just inverse, while arithmetic mean is just inverse. So which one is the highest? If this is less than this is less, which one is the highest? Arithmetic mean now? Right now? So now we come to median. The sign for median is this. I told you for mode, for mean, for median, for mode. So in this case, we have median. Then to find the median value, you can use this formula. The x root number, nth number, like that. Over 2. So look at this example. Find the values of a random group of x and given answers. You can ideally do what? 8 plus. I mean, we can. They say find the average now. We just add everything divided by the number, right? Yes. Can you use assuming for this? Yes. Yes. We find the assuming. We plug it. We find the class mark. We find the. How many times does it occur? The range. I mean, now we need to find the range, class width, size, and. For this case here, we want to talk about the median. So for the sake of those watching this, you might check the video when we're ready for the median. I think that is very good. Because that is not in this case here. Press that. So here, for the median now, you got to find the median in the use of that one. This is x1, x2, 3, 4, 5. I mean 6, 7. I mean now x1, x2. So how many numbers do we have here? To find the solution, you arrange it first in alphabetical order or in numerical order. 1, 2. This is the first one is what now? 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Right? From there, how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number is what? N is what? 4. The number is what? 7. From there, now make it a difference. Look at that. So here, the 7 is odd. Look at the odd. You have 7 plus 1. Whenever you have odd, you pick the odd. That is your 7 plus 4. Odd now, 7 plus 1. Divided by 2. 4. But that should be with. Now, do this now. Do 7 over 2 plus 7 over 2 plus 1. Do this. I can do this. That's almost 5. 7 over 2 plus 3.5 plus 4.5 plus 7 over 2, 3.5. 3.5 plus 4.5. 3.5 plus 4.5. Divided by 2. See, we have 4. How do you correct that? Correct that. So we have that, okay? So in this case now, we have 7 over 2 and plus 8. So we have that the fourth number now is what? 8. This is 8. This is what? 4. This is 4 right now? Yes. So the x fourth, the fourth number. X, the fourth number. The fourth number is what? Let's count. According to the arrangement, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ideally, you can pick like this. You see what? But we have to see what? 8, which is equal. I mean now, but if you have to solve it, you can't come and pick. You need to show with calculate. You understand? So let's apply to this now. What is the value of the random variable is given as? What is first? You find the number of variables. The number, the total observation is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8, right? Yes. Are you here? Yes. What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it doing? What is it? Okay. So in this case, the number is what even now? 8, right? Since it's 8, let's add. Just normal. 8 over 2. I mean, plus 1, 8 over 2 plus 1. What is 8 over 2? 4. 4 plus 1. So the 4th and 5th, you pick them. What is the 4th? 1. According you arrange them. Can we arrange them? It's already arranged. You need to arrange. So you can write and say 15, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 25, 28. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 5. I'll do it like this. Add them together, you have this. If you add them, you do like this. We start this, okay? Yes. We're going to show the calculation for this one. Right? Do you understand? So now we go to calculation of this is for group data. Now we want to calculate for group data. We now have this. Group data means you have the table, which we're going to do now. Okay. We use this formula. Let's go. Your N1, the median is what? Lower class boundary of the median. Can we go? Median is what? Lower class boundary of the median plus number of what? Observation. Number 2, because it is median. If it's percentile, it's over 1. If it's decile, it's over 10. If it's hexadecile, that is what? 16. Right? So this is cumulative frequency before the median class. Have you now? Frequency of the median. What is this again? Mode. This is lower class boundary of the modal class. Let's go. Lower class boundary of the modal class. This is not the what? Difference between the frequency of the what? Difference between the frequency of the modal class and the class before. Why this one is not what? After. Difference between the frequency of the modal class and after. Do you understand? Yes. Right. So in this case, let's solve the question. For this question, like we said, this is using median or group data. This question is to calculate the group data. So we find out that the table, the question says, example, the table below shows the height of 70 millimeters selected at some water. This is the starting. So this is group data now, right? This is frequency, and this is what? The height, right? You can see class interval, remember? So complete the mean, median, and mode. For the mean now, you can use your fx. How do you get your x now? Find the what? Last one. Have you now? When you divide it by 2, have you now? We have the what? X. That is the class mark. You understand now? 1 minus 1 plus 1 is divided by 2. You can multiply. Divided by the total sum. Have you now? So now that is to find the mean. If you want to use as your mean, what did you find? A, which is what? 100. Have you now? It's 149, right? Then what do you have next? For the year and B, to calculate your D, you need to get to what? X minus A. That is, you do X. That is your class mark. Have you now? Reverse class. So in this median now, I want to find the median. How do you do, or what do you do, or how do you solve this? You tabulate the question, give you cumulative frequency. So how do you know what to plot? Now we need to write the median formula. So what is the formula for the median? Is what one? Lower of the median class. Over the median is percentile over 10 at over 100 decile over 10. Minus what? Cumulative frequency before the frequency of the median class. So now, you will find this unique class boundary, right?
Yes.
So we have the height. From the height, we have the frequency. You are not to plot tally, it's just your heart. You can plot your tally and just put 1, 3, 4, 5. I mean, now, you understand that. Which frequency have the 0 point, first one 0 plus 8 plus 18, 32, 50, 59, 63, 70. Total here, 70. The class boundary, how do you know? 126 plus 127, this is boundary. 126 plus 127 divided by 2. It will give you what? 126.5. The difference between this boundary, the boundary between this one and this one is what? 126.5. So that means that you can share the same boundary by saying 0.5 is equal to 117.5. That is 118 minus 0.5. That's what 117.5 to what? 126.5. Boundary repeats. 125.5 will become 135.5. Like that. So we got this one. What do we need here again? We have already frequency of the boundary class like that. So what do we do? So we need W, class width or size. Remember, how do we get class width or size in that case? The class width from the formula, the W is what? Range over K. It's what? Range over K. K is equal to square root N. That is range over square root. Your range is lowest minus largest observation, largest minus smallest observation minus square root. Largest observation we have in this table. It ranges from here now. 180 to what? 118. Right now. So you see I've got 180 minus 180. You see I've what? No. 180 minus 180. The total number of observation we have is 7. So this 7. Square root 70 is what? Square root 70. Can be fast. Approximately 8 points. Let's say approximately. Largest minus lowest. 180 minus 180. Can be fast. 180 minus 180 is 60 divided by 8. See your question calculator. 7.8, right? Yeah. You find out that when you work on the calculator, you find out that this is not correct. You use that method. This is the fact that this total number of observation is correct. But this you don't know the exact what? Where it's starting from. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So what we now simply do is that to get a class width or size from the original formula, you can get the class width or size even from here by the difference. Have you now? By the difference in input, look at it. What is the difference here? 118 to this is what difference? 118 to 120 is what difference? How many difference? How many difference? No. How many difference? 118 to 126? It's 9. Now, in comparison, we are talking with class width now. We are not talking about minus. Am I saying difference? Am I saying I'm not talking about the normal difference? I'm saying in respect to class width. What is it? 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126. Is that not 9? So the best way you can get exact value is to do this. I tell you that now. 127 minus 118. Is that not 9? You understand? So be careful because I remember in the exam board I already wrote 8. And I'm almost solving it and I remember that something is missing. Because I'm familiar with that in the sense that I've made that question sometimes. So this method you can use that to just simply use this. So to get the class width or size, use W equals what? 126 minus 1 equals what? 8 plus 1. Or this 8 plus 1 is from, if you count it, 118, 119 like you just did now, okay? Or you simply do, because if you count 118, 119, 120, this is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Or what about if you now have 118, 150 or 190, now be counting? You simply do this one minus this plus 1. Or you could do simple to give you the exact value. Happy now? 118 plus 118 minus this will give you the exact value. That's what 9. So you can simply do 127 or 127 minus 118. That is not it. You go understand? Yeah. That is right. Where is that? That is right. Alright. So in this case here, we have the B as mine. Then you can just simply put the form parameter. So in this case now we have this. I want to solve the question. The median is now lower class boundary of the median class. What is the lower class boundary of the median class? What is the median class? Now we already did this one be now 1%. So the median class lies there. In between is right now. Yeah. Or you simply try check. 10 plus 8, 18. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. Wait. 18, it remains 2 here. Have you now? Yes. 20. Okay, let's see. 18, 20 is 20, okay. 20. You now know that all you can take, but it's stressful. So you just do this one and divide by 2. Have you now? Yeah. So it falls between 1 for the 9. So we do the example, but then we can now say that the boundary, the median falls here. So you can say lower class boundary of the median class. The median class is this, right? What is the lower class boundary now? 144.5. Lowest class boundary is what? 0.5. So far this is the boundary. Arithmetic is the boundary now. Arithmetic is the median. That's right, the median. Arithmetic is the median. What will be the lowest? What will be the lowest class boundary? I mean now? You understand? But the lower class boundary, so far this is the median, is what? You understand? You understand now? So in this case now, this is the median. I mean now? So the lower class boundary is 144.5. But you can still even do the lower class boundary as 144.5 here too. You understand what I'm saying? They share the same bound. I mean, you understand? So you have 144.5. So 144.5. So the highest one you want 53. I mean now. So we have the lower class boundary as 144.5. Because we're going to solve the mode, we're going to find the mode of this. The normal observation, total 70 from the formula. The cumulative frequency before. The cumulative frequency now, before the median class. What is the median class here? What is the cumulative frequency before? 32. The width, we already explained that. So you can put the value, you have your height is 1. How do we use 1? We're going to explain that in this class. Cumulative frequency first. Width is what? So, frequency of the median class is what? How do we know? This is the frequency of this median class. Let me answer. So let's want to find the modal class. The mode. How do you find the mode? The mode lower what? Class value of the modal class was the difference between the frequency of the modal class. The difference between the frequency of the modal class and the class before it, and the frequency of the modal class and the class after it. That's the class with. So this lower class value of the modal class. What is the modal class now? You just go to which one is much? 18. Have you now? Yeah. This is the modal class. So what is the lower class boundary? It's still. Does that mean they are always the same? No, not in all cases. Though not in all cases, because this falls on the same modal as the median. Okay now. Most times this set some extra. So in this case here, my change in the one difference will not be what is the modal class? The frequency of the modal class before. Frequency of the what now? Of the frequency of the modal, frequency between the modal class and the class before. That is 18 minus 4. That's 4. Is what? 18. Right? That will be what? 4 over. Last week is 9. So this one is answer. So now we are 10 minutes now. What do you do? Sharp, sharp. Imagine you have this exam or as OBG. Solve that thing for me. Let's do what is answer. 1. Confirm that someone is 146. But add everything to what you have. What is the calculator? You don't get it. It's not much. 2 what now? So let's find this. Sharp. What do you do? It's very simple now. Just go to the points. What is the middle class? Have you now? Yes. The difference before change 1 is this boundary. Have you now? Yeah. Change it 2. Have you now? Yes. Lower class value of the middle class is 20 points. Have you now? Yes, sir. That's good. So when you are writing, you'll be thinking the next one, so you won't drop. You'll be looking at what I want to write. I want to write loss. I'm already calculating 20 minus 6 over 14 plus times what is my stuff? This is what? How do I know it? I can do this plus 1. Have you now? Yes. So I can simply do 11 minus 1. Have you now? 20 minus 11. It's confirmed, right? 11 minus 20 times 20 minus 11 is what? 9. Plus. Have you now? Or I should do 21 minus 11. 10. You understand? Tell me what's the answer. 14 over. This is what it is confirmed. Let's go, is it correct? Yes. Now we got 146, not 147. We got 146, the answer was 146. Because it should be negative. That cumulative frequency is negative, not positive. Negative. What do you get for this? Are you sure your calculations are correct? The answer here is 26.9, but I'm telling you 26. Are you sure? You can't solve that question. Let's. Check this answer for this. Check the answer for this. 146. You know that kind of this. What do you have? What do you call 141? Someone else should solve as well now. You do this first now. 14 divided by 22 times 10. Then you add this to it. Is it hard? 1. 26.86. 9. What is the next one? Check this one for me. Alright, assignment.
So that was 141.
141.
Yeah.
Okay, we minus it out.
Yeah.
35 minus 32. That one is
141.
What is it? No. That is 70
70.
now. 70. That is 70. So 70. So you read, you answer question 22. Question page 22, question 2. Exercise 2 rather. So you go and read measures of partition from page